Hi guys, this is May 11th weekly growing food at home higher version.
News to you, May 11th, 2020, growing food at home. Many people grow food at home. Most people start growing food in spring. The weather becomes warmer in spring. This spring, more people want to grow food.
So, the weather's gotten warmer, it's not winter anymore, and spring has came. It's almost summer now, but people want to grow their food at home more often now.
People are staying home because of the coronavirus. They want to stay away from crowds. People want to go to grocery stores less often. People want to grow food at home instead. Growing food can be fun.
So, because of the coronavirus, more people are wanting to grow their food at home, which is great news. Instead of going to the grocery store, they can grow it at home, and it's actually something that can be quite fun to do.
First, people choose places to grow food. Many people grow food in gardens. The gardens may be in backyards. Some people grow food in pots. The pots may be on windowsills or porches.
So you can grow food in a garden, in the backyard, or in pots. You know, if you're not growing a whole bunch of stuff, it might be easier if you just wanted to grow in a pot instead of in a big garden. Miss S actually has a garden in her backyard with lots of different fruits and vegetables. When you guys meet with her this week, ask her about those fruits and vegetables and the care and effort that goes into growing your own fruits and veggies.
People choose the kinds of food to grow. People may grow vegetables like green beans, corn, peppers, carrots, and spinach. People may grow fruits like blueberries, watermelons, raspberries, strawberries, and grapes.
So there's all different foods that you can grow in a garden or in a pot. Almost any fruit and vegetable you can grow in your backyard. Some that not so much, pineapples, bananas, and things like that.
People buy seeds to grow the food. They put the seeds into dirt. People pour water onto the seeds. The seeds become plants. The food grows on the plants.
So you buy little itty bitty seeds, you plant them in the ground, you give them food, which is like fertilizer, and water, and they grow into a plant. And those plants grow the food that we'll eat.
People must wait for the food to become ripe. Ripe means the food is ready to eat. People pick the ripe food. Sometimes people eat the food right away. Sometimes they freeze the food to eat later.
So, depending on the size of your garden or your family's needs, your family might choose to freeze it or can it instead of eating it right away.
People may use the food to make recipes. Someone may use vegetables to make a sandwich, salad, or soup. Someone may use fruits to make a smoothie, fruit salad, or pie.
You can also use them to season your food, to cook with your food, and there are some herbs that you can grow.
Many people are growing food at home. People are growing food in gardens and pots. The food includes vegetables and fruits. Anyone can grow food. Would you like to grow food?
So anyone can grow food. if they can follow the directions and make sure their plants get food and water. Remember, food for a plant is more like fertilizer, and then of course water like we drink.
Things in the news. Seeds. Plants make seeds. People put seeds into dirt to grow. The seeds need water and sunlight to grow. Seeds may grow to become flowers, bushes, vines, or trees.
So, when you plant the seeds, it's good to know what they are so you can make sure they get exactly the nutrients they need to grow and be big plants. They have to have sunlight to grow, and we learned about that in science class.
Places in the news. Gardens. People grow plants in gardens. People may grow vegetables, fruits, herbs, or flowers. A garden is an area of land. A garden may be big or small.
So you can have a big, huge garden or just a couple plants. It doesn't matter what size. If you want to grow, you can start with one just to see if you can make it happen, or you can start with 10. Just sometimes gardens can be a lot of work. Okay, so the recipe is vegetable and fruit salad. As always, if you guys have the ingredients and want to try it at home, feel free to do so, and let Miss S and I know how it turned out. Send a video or a picture. Have a great day. Make sure you log into Canvas and complete your slides for the weekly.